Imagine a community of lush green landscapes, singing birds perched high in towering trees, where one can relax in their shade, breathe in the rich oxygenated air, and feel invigorated. Now imagine that community is not in a far-flung exotic location, but in our city of Brampton, Ontario, where we can work, live and play, all the while being surrounded by the power of transformative ecosystems provided by Brampton's urban forests.
Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into the vital role Brampton's trees play in sustaining air quality, water quality, biodiversity, and their contribution to community health, social well-being, and community engagement. We will also look at the threats posed to urban trees by climate change and rapid development. Finally, we will look at the responsibility we each have to contribute to the preservation and enhancement of urban forests that support biodiversity, clean air, fresh water, climate resilience, improved health, and vibrant social spaces.
Trees have a significant impact on air quality, particularly in urban environments. Their presence helps combat air pollution by acting as natural air filters. They absorb harmful substances such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and particulate matter, while releasing oxygen through a process called photosynthesis. Tree canopies also offer us shade, which reduces the demand for energy-intensive cooling systems, leading to a significant decrease in greenhouse gas emissions. Planting new trees, while preserving our existing urban forests, creates cleaner, fresher air, improving the overall well-being of city dwellers while supporting a sustainable and healthier environment. Forests play a vital role in shaping water systems. Their intricate root systems work as nature's stabilizers, making soil more porous and resilient, which fights erosion and lessens rainwater runoff. Forests are like natural water purifiers. Their incredible ability to facilitate infiltration works like a natural water purifier, cleansing and recharging groundwater. But in urban areas without enough trees, rainwater runoff increases, carrying soil, debris, and pollutants straight into our water, causing water pollution. Not having sufficient trees also puts us at risk of stormwater flooding and strains drainage infrastructure. That's why trees are essential for maintaining healthy water systems and tackling the challenges of urbanization on water quality and management.
Urban forests have a vital role in supporting biodiversity within city environments. They provide numerous benefits that enhance the ecological balance and support the existence of various plant and animal species. Trees offer habitat and shelter to a diverse range of organisms, including insects, fungi, birds and mammals. They provide nesting sites, food sources, and protective cover, promoting the survival and reproduction of wildlife. Conservation areas act as green corridors, connecting fragmented habitats and enabling the movement of species through urban landscapes. This facilitates gene flow, which is crucial for genetic diversity and the long-term viability of populations of urban wildlife. Trees thrive when surrounded by tree neighbors of both the same and different species. This is the foundation of any forest.
Trees provide numerous health benefits for humans, animals, and insects alike. For humans, being in the presence of forests has been shown to reduce stress, improve mental well-being, and promote relaxation. Urban forests provide oxygen for us to breathe. They provide shade, reducing the risk of heat-related illnesses and creating a more comfortable environment. Trees also help keep us cool by releasing water into the air through a process called transpiration. The combined effect of shade and transpiration can decrease temperatures in and around urban forests by up to 5 degrees Celsius, compared to neighborhoods with less tree cover. Overall, trees play a crucial role in enhancing the health and well-being of humans, animals, and insects by creating healthier and more vibrant ecosystems. Parks and conservation areas offer a wide range of social and recreational community benefits. These green spaces provide opportunities for relaxation, exercise, and connection with nature. They serve as tranquil retreats where people can escape the busy city life, reducing stress and promoting mental health. Parks offer spaces for social interactions, such as picnics, gatherings, and community events, fostering a sense of belonging and community cohesion. Conservation areas provide educational opportunities for children and adults to learn about nature and environmental conservation. Whether it's hiking, birdwatching, walking, or enjoying a peaceful bike ride, conservation areas enrich the social fabric of communities, promoting healthier and happier lifestyles.
We all know that with climate change, temperatures, on average, are rising. But it's important to understand where temperatures are rising the most, in rapidly developing urban environments such as Brampton. Urban heat island effects are a major concern. They occur when select areas experience higher temperatures than Brampton's overall average. Our traditional materials used to build needed infrastructure gather and radiate heat. Brampton has a lot of manufactured structures in the form of industrial, commercial, and residential buildings. These materials, especially concrete, absorb heat from the sun during the day and release it at night, extending the time core areas remain hot, forming islands of heat. Cities are warming faster than rural areas, and a rapidly growing city such as Brampton is warming even more quickly. Increasing tree cover is an effective way to reduce the heat island effect. But the rate of infrastructure growth threatens to outpace the time it takes for newly planted trees to mature and deliver ecosystem service effectively. One significant issue is the removal of mature forest areas to make way for new development. Even if more trees are replaced than were removed, it will take decades for the lost ecosystem services to be restored. Establishing new growth takes time, energy, and money. That's why we must protect as many mature trees as possible in areas slated for development. Pollution stemming from industry and traffic adversely affects forest health by contaminating air and water. Additionally, the escalating impacts of climate change, such as rising temperatures, altered rainfall patterns, and extreme weather events, place considerable stress on green infrastructure. Monoculture planting, which is the planting of a large volume of single tree species in a specified area, further reduces species diversity and weakens the resilience of the urban forest ecosystem. Disease outbreaks, exacerbated by climate change, urbanization and human activities, pose a threat to conservation efforts. Prolonged periods of drought, along with the urban heat island effect, strain trees as they struggle to cope with water scarcity and increased temperatures. The harsh effects of cold, snow, ice, and road salt during winter months affect green infrastructure vitality. Soil quality plays a crucial role. Urbanized soil often suffers from nutrient deficiencies and compaction, which hampers the ability of trees to thrive. Insect infestations and the introduction of invasive species disrupt urban forests, leading to ecological imbalances and declining health. The recent struggle against the invasive emerald ash borer throughout Brampton is a prime example. We must also take advantage of opportunities to expand and equally distribute tree cover across the entire city. Lower-income communities often experience a disproportionate lack of trees and natural vegetation and can be greatly affected due to the smaller living spaces and lack of access to cooling facilities. Additionally, these communities frequently border industrial areas void of green spaces, further compounding urban heat island effects in their neighborhoods. To get the most benefit from green infrastructure to mitigate heat island effects, coverage must be nearby to where people work and live. Ontario's tree inventory is in the billions, but without proximity in and around urban centres, people cannot benefit from the ecosystem services they provide. They should be planted with equal distribution throughout Brampton. Tackling these multifaceted challenges demands collective efforts from communities, governments, and environmental organizations to protect and revitalize green infrastructure. Implementing measures to diversify tree species, improve soil health, manage water resources effectively, and combat climate change can significantly enhance the resilience and sustainability of our urban forests for future generations. Rooted in Hope is a Brampton Environmental Alliance project that provides an opportunity for youth and seniors to cherish and nurture nature in our neighborhoods, creating a brighter, greener future for everyone. The project brings seniors and high school students together to plant trees and then monitor their growth and health. Students will learn the practical application of biology, chemistry, and statistics, assisted by their senior mentors. Monitoring processes will be in accordance with the objectives outlined in Brampton's Urban Forest Management Plan. Training by the Association of Canadian Educational Resources, along with support from the City of Brampton Parks and Forestry Department as well as assistance from the Toronto and Region Conservation Authority, will ensure growth and self-sustainability of the program.
Everyone in Brampton can be an advocate for change. By donating our time, resources, or funds, we can directly impact development efforts. Participation not only adds greenery to our cities but also fosters a sense of community and well-being. Inspire others to join us. Remember, every green space restored, and every voice raised, brings us closer to a more sustainable future.
Engage with local authorities, policymakers, and community leaders to emphasize the importance of creating and maintaining healthy green spaces throughout our city. Start petitions, organize community meetings, help your families, friends, and neighbors understand the benefits of urban forests. Together, we can raise awareness and influence decisions that prioritize the integration of green spaces into urban planning. The Brampton Environmental Alliance is a not-for-profit advocate with a vision for Brampton to grow as a sustainable community that is healthy and resilient, economically, socially and environmentally.
To participate in the Rooted in Hope project as a senior, youth or school, send an email to the Brampton Environmental Alliance. If you would like to learn more about our other initiatives, please follow the link in the description below to visit our website. Subscribe to our newsletter to discover various ways you can become involved and active. Thank you for watching and sharing this video presentation with family, friends, and neighbors. Together, let's embark on a journey towards a greener, healthier future for us all.